Yes, I'll be happy to hold FCT because of these 3 points. First point, it's peak occupancy. The second point, steady climb in rent reversions backed by a bounce back in tenant sales. And the third one is a net property income improvement. So let's start with the net property income improvement first, because that would impact the amount of dividends that we receive as unit holders. You can see that the net property income improved when we compare first half 22 to first half 23, where the figure jumped from 130.48 million to 136.03 million. And then for the second half 22, it also improved to second half 23 of 129.56 million. Why is this important? The common topic right now you might be wondering, or having a conversation with your friends, is definitely about the interest rates. I definitely do acknowledge that, but I just want to shift my focus to what else my REIT manager can improve, because that's going to be one favorable characteristics of a good REIT manager in this current environment right now. So for the other more REITs that you're holding on to, let me know which REIT manager handled your REIT well. Write your choice in the comments below, I'll be reading them. Improving or maintaining the occupancy rate of a REIT is the next thing I'll look at. And SCT has done well in this area, especially Causeway Point, Waterway Point, North Point, as these three properties are the biggest rental revenue contributors before NEX came in. So let's go and look at the individual occupancy rates for Causeway Point, Waterway Point, and North Point. For Causeway Point, we can see that it is at 99.6, Waterway Point is at 100%, and North Point is at 99.7%. So these are fantastic occupancy numbers, especially when these three properties contribute the biggest revenue to FCT. Since the occupancy rates have peaked, the next method to increase the rental revenues is by the rent reversions. It is my least preferred method to increase rental income because of its sustainability. However, FCT has managed to maintain a steady climb of rent reversions since 2Q22. Rent reversions at 2Q22 was at 4.12, and it steadily rose to 4.7% in the fourth quarter 23. I'm currently not a unit holder of SCT, but if you are a unit holder, continue watching to the end, because I'll share a little bit more about its borrowings, and hit that subscribe button so that you can receive future updates about FCT when I release them. Let's jump next to the borrowing portions of FCT. Yes, what you can see right now is that the cost of debt has increased by 0.1%. While that's not really something that I would like, one comforting point for myself is that FCT has maintained its percentage of fixed rate borrowings at 63%. Why is this important to me? Because in this way, I feel that the REIT manager can focus on improving rental revenues instead of being in a constant state of fighting interest rate flash fires. For this last point, I feel we really need to take note. It's actually the shopper traffic and the tenant sales PSF. When I first tabulated these numbers, I recalled my other more REITs experiencing declining numbers. So I was like, God, is there a recession coming soon? Down here, I just shared the picture. For the shopper traffic, right, you can see that the figure bounced back from 16% back up to 24.7%, and the tenant sales for the fourth quarter 23 bounced from 5 to 7.3%. Yes, because I was like, what is going to happen to more REITs if this number continues to decline? So as I live near Tiong Bahru Plaza, which is one of the malls inside FCT portfolio, I still see people buying food at the basement levels. Here's a summary of what was good, what can improve. First thing is definitely the peak occupancy rates. Second is the steady climb in the rent reversions backed by a bounce back in the shopper traffic and tenant sales. Of course, interest rates are high. Those will be the things that I wish FCT can improve, but one good thing, at least the percentage of fixed rate borrowings remain at 63%. Are there other points I like about FCT? Yes, so watch this video because you'll definitely benefit. And because FCT is a suburban mall, how did a urban mall REIT like Suntec perform? I recommend this video.